Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Behance video. First, log into your account. Once in, go ahead and find the video that you want to download. For example, I want this one. So I'm just gonna locate the video. Then, once you have it, go ahead and right click on it. From the options, go and select View Frame Source. That would open up another window that contains the video code. Now, at the bottom, you'll see here a text that says Source SRC. To download the video, you just need to simply click on the second link. Now that would automatically download it. You can go ahead and view it on your device. Then, if you go and click on it, you can now see that the video from Behance is now downloaded to your device. You can go ahead and also do that to other videos. For example, is this. Again, just right click on it and view your frame source. Then click on the last link for it to be downloaded to your device. And that's just basically it. That's how you download your Behance video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.